Check your girl out. Look at them titties. I know this nasty, bro. I know I sound bad, bro. Look. Hey, check it out. Look at that. That girl about to drop, son. Daisy. Tell him. What you got to tell him? Y'all hear? She said them puppies about to drop. She said y'all be patient with her. It's her first time. Daisy, come here. Tell them this your first time. Tell them. First time with the puppies. Daisy first time with the pups, man. Got like 10, less than 10 days to me, but give or take, you know what I'm saying, about 10. Really less than that, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, for real, man. Like, but I'm just putting it that, just, you know, just in case. Just in case, but we keeping an eye on her. So y'all gonna know. Y'all gonna know. Trust me. Trust me, y'all. Y'all family. Y'all family. We definitely gonna let you know. Had to put some water on your girl. Had to put some water on her. Cause he like laying in water and shit. She a water dog. And yeah. But yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all our girl Daisy real quick. Y'all see she chilling. And as y'all can tell, Megan, she ready to play. She wanna get out. So I'm gonna let her out. Her and Bam out, let them play. But I just wanted to show y'all that. Our girl Daisy got some titties in the front too, the front top one. So as long as it ain't no milk coming out of them. So let's check. Let's see if she gonna let us see if she got some milk. Daisy, she got some milk. She got some milk. She got about 3 days until she dropped. But I don't see no. Oh shit! Oh, y'all see that? Oh, I might be tripping, y'all. I might be tripping. That's some colostrum right there, fool. Oh, that's colostrum. She got less than that. She got about 3-4 days on her. Daisy, tell them, man. Tell them. Them puppies. Hey, look.
Stop.
Come here. Where you going? Where you going? You trying to find somewhere to have them at? Hey, I don't know if y'all seen that, yo. It's some colostrum coming out, bruh. This girl got less than 3. She got a few days on her, man. So yeah, pit bulls. Got some 5 pit bulls coming. I'm trying to show y'all. Daisy, come here. Come here. I ain't gonna squeeze it out because that's for the puppies. But yeah, this girl getting ready, y'all. Soon. Daisy, right? Look at her. She gonna be a good mama, ain't you, Daisy? Yeah. But she ain't gonna let me show y'all, bruh. Hold on, let me try one more time. Daisy, come here. Come here. I want y'all to see this shit. Let me try to. Come here. It's the back one. Yes, she trying to bite me. I can't. Man, I hope y'all seen it the first time because she too wild. She too wild, bro. She ain't gonna let me do it. But I'm gonna let these out. These two out. And listen, appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button if y'all can find it for me. And if you ain't subscribed, man, make sure you subscribe. We got these puppies coming. I don't know y'all want to see them, so you might as well subscribe so you don't miss it. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I appreciate y'all, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. I wanted to show y'all. I hope I got it on camera. If not, just know soon, like 3-4 days, y'all gonna know. I'm not gonna keep y'all out of here, man. I'm gonna let y'all know. Trust me. I'm gonna let y'all know. So y'all just stay tuned, man. If you ain't subscribed, hit the subscribe. Love y'all. Till the next video. We out. Tell them, Bound. We out.